Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ, anyị ekene unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi tata. Anyị sị unu ụtụtụ ọma, efifie ọma, mgbede ọma, site na ngara ebe isi wee na-esoyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke taa na Igbo midia, bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ife gbara ọkpụrụkpụ na-eme na ana Igbo dị iche iche, obodo dị iche iche na ana Igbo na obodo nke anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ọbụna nke a bụ mgbọsị izizi gị ị na-esonyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo midia, ekabalụ ka imetụ aka n'ebe a na-acha red and subscribe, share ekwe ya, gbakwa ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ka fasịsọ anyị na-esonyekwara anyị n'ihe anyị na-eme.
Gathering them, they give King David. Now, this should tell you that who is to get us Biafra is Mazi Simon Ekpa. So you have to make up your mind and know who you follow. My story is driving home to you that the time has arrived. Biafra is no more a dream. It is a reality. I want to go straight now to one of the significance of what also lead for you to believe what I'm saying. During the time of David being the king, David was still running for his life. Like Mazi Simon Ekpa now in Finland, Nigerian government is sending messages. They want to bring him home. They want to prosecute. They want to kill him. He's in Finland. So is some King David running and hiding in the cage. Do you know what happened? Most people that were disgruntled moved and went to David's camp and told David, we want to serve under you. Now, try and make connection with the autopilot, how he started. The disgruntled people like me, who was in the old house, moved on and said, no, there's an anointing here. We moved to the David of our time, which is Mazi Simon Ekpa. And now we are here. Look at what is going on. The old house is collapsing. And as I'm talking to you, like what happened to King Saul went down. Those DOS and most men that are there, they didn't have the vision. They don't have no members anymore. I'm saying this to remind most of us here that where you are is where God wants you to be. You are on the right track. So do not look back, because Biafra is here with us. The brief achievement, I had the opportunity to be in Finland. I witnessed what happened. Prophet Igilla said that those animals, those big animals you see that were following the puppy, let me tell you what it is. What it was right now, you will see engineers, you see doctors, professors. I could count with my finger professors I met in Finland. We are not less than 10 people that I can identify by myself. And doctors, the old IPOB, the old DOS, I'm sorry to tell you this, there's not such thing. Because everybody was not clear. They didn't define what they were looking for. What Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was the focus. When he was out of the picture, these guys could not do anything tangible. So, not taking your time much, I want to briefly hint what this Biafran government in exile, briefly, the things I can note by myself, what they have achieved, so that you can know where you belong. If you are really looking for Biafra, if you're not looking to just to improve your life by trying to sabotage what you are doing by being an informant to the zoo government, then you have to know that who you follow now is who God led, is using to lead us to Biafra land. Now, brief achievement. We have a charter. A charter has been written. And that charter is given to us, is open for amendment. That charter is a constitution. That's how a nation is formed. And another thing is, we have our ID card that is ongoing now. This is very, very authentic, very secure. When you log in there, it's even more authentic than most countries in the world. Most African countries cannot even compare to the kind of ID card system we are going in now. That is the second achievement. There are so many of them, but I'm going to mention few that I lay my hands on just for the purpose of this event. Now we have BLA angels guarding Biafra land. You heard what our Prime Minister said, how we are neutralizing the zoo. Before, they used to come in our place, they kill at Mpo, they kill in Yemene, nobody challenges them. And before Nnamdi Kanu left, when they formed the ESN, you know what he said? He said, this kind of attitude of coming to kill in Biafra land is no longer obtainable. But what happened when Nnamdi Kanu left? I was inside that old thing. I asked a question. Why are you people not taking what Nnamdi Kanu said? And that was one of the things that made them to throw me out. But it's another story for another day. So let me go back to we now have a Biafra Republic government in exile and de facto government in homeland. These are all functioning and working. If you need information, they give it to you. So if you are looking for Biafra, how do you measure that kind of what you want? Is it not the people when you contact them, they give you information, and this is where we are going. They give you, update you on what they are achieving for Biafra. Another thing is we have representatives across the globe at this moment, which I am one of them. And there is no going back about it. I have decided to sacrifice myself, my life, to ensure that Biafra come, following Mercy, Simon Ekpa, and Mercy Nnamdi Kanu. If you have not made that conscious decision to put yourself as sacrificial lamb, that means you are just sitting on the fence still. You may be here, but you're sitting on the fence. So I'm encouraging you, please, make every effort to ensure that you know who you follow. And use, because you do not need to deceive yourself. I'm not a young man anymore. I've been living in this country for the past 30 years. So I made my decisions. There's no two ways about it. So make up your mind and know who you follow. I'm encouraging you, please ensure that you are supporting this movement. Not only supporting it with your life, because that is the only way we can get Biafra. And also, summarily, I want to encourage all of us to be our brother's keeper to the restoration of this Biafra. Do not make sure of your brother's errors or mistakes. Find his virtues and encourage him. Like our master Simon Ekpa said yesterday when we were having fundraising. He said, those people that are in the old house and come in, encourage them. Do not leave them. Do not disparage. Do not say, do not tell them that you're not welcome. Welcome them. And make sure that you make them to understand why that we are moving as Biafrans. Let there be love. So that is the one thing I want you to take home concerning this struggle, because a lot of people are still, if you talk to the old house, they are so wicked in their heart that they do not see any good thing coming from us anymore. And you can see the one that he even announced my name, who is making me famous now. They call him Ikenga. I don't know where he's coming from. The one that he came in the openly and this own IPOB, old IPOB, when he was going to Nigeria. So he goes there, they give him security. After he come back now, he want to come back now. He's now calling my name, making me famous. Well, I thank him for making me famous. Now, I have come to the conclusion of this, my encouragement words. I am not known for great internet speech, but I'm known for sacrificial devotion internally and prayer, spiritual prayer. In the spirit, we engage. So anywhere you want to do your own, if you're more, because what we are facing is enormous. It's just something you see with ordinary eye, but there's war in the utmost of heaven concerning Biafra. God bless BRGIE, Biafra Republic Government in Exile. God bless Biafrans. God bless Mazi Simon Ekpa. God bless Belgium. God bless Finland. And God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. God bless Biafrans home and abroad. We are all going home soon. Thank you very much. Ndibai, Ndewono. And on that note, we will proceed to the next item of our this event, the visitation of our PM and the Biafran government in exile to Belgium. I'm calling on now on I am supporting, please, let me not finish without doing the right thing. I'm supporting this very particular today event, visitation of our Prime Minister with 500 euros. Oh. Thank you. And the next online is our brother Mazi Uche Nnakwe. He has something to tell us. You can proceed.
Please let us be keeping it short because there are still a lot of people to ask questions. Biko.
Okay, thank you. We'll do that from
Uche
this moment.
Nnakwe, where is he? Uche Nnakwe, where is he? Your hand, please, up, please. Uche Nnakwe. Can I search you, Uche? No. All right. That is the Uche, okay. All right, unmute yourself, please. And then why is your camera not on? Unmute yourself.
I try to unmute myself. Can you on my camera, please?
Yeah, please don't switch the camera off again because when you leave it on, please just try and leave it on like that, please.
This
All right,
is
put on your
switching.
camera. Put it on.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you very much. All hey Biafra. Obatobie, you are welcome to Belgium, the headquarters of European Union. I call you Ikukama Nonya. Anana Agbo na-atani. Ndewo. Ndewo. Chukwu continue to guide you and protect you. We thank you, we love you for all the good work you have been doing for Biafra. I thank God for bringing you in at the point of time you needed you most. The only leaders Biafrans, the Igbos have ever had, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Mazi Simon Ekpa, who have stand firm against our enemies, have said that never again will they come and kill our people and go free. Because I've been watching, I've been doing some little research about what we have in Biafra land, those we call leaders. I come to realize that we never have pure Igbos or pure Biafrans leading our people. I believe if a DNA test is done to those that we call our leaders, political elite and traditional leaders, I believe there must be a certain kind of Fulani blood or DNA in their system. Because no good thinking person or reasoning person I will watch his children being slaughtered the way Biafran youths are being slaughtered on daily basis. And you call yourself a leader, call yourself a governor, call yourself a traditional leader, and you keep quiet. Even in the animal world, in animal kingdom, a fowl, you cannot near a fowl who just raising its chick. You go close to it without the fowl fighting you or trying to defend her chicks or chicken. But in Igbo land today, in Biafra land today, we see our youth being massacred on daily basis. Those we call our leaders never stand up to comment or condemn the atrocities going on or the genocide going on in our land. You are the only one, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who have the interests of our people at heart. So you see, we watch our people, we see what's going on in Nigeria. Sonny Bo was attacked and detained, and his people went and defend him and protect him and set him free. Prince Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, a prince for that matter, have been kidnapped and renditioned to Nigeria and detained. No single person in Igbo land has stand up to fight for his release. Fulani opened their borders to bring Fulani from all over West Africa, from wherever they are in Africa, to bring him into Nigeria. They opened border to bring people from other countries in Africa, in Nigeria, to have more population, to fight us, the indigenes of Nigeria. But what did our leaders do? Our leaders helped them to kill their own youths to resist their own population. So what is that telling you? We don't have leaders. We don't have pure Igbo blood leaders leading our people. So I'm calling on every Biafran, pure Biafran, genuine Biafra today to realize, to know this fact that we don't have leaders. Those we call our leaders in Biafra land, they are not pure Igbos. They have blood, Fulani blood in their system. Otherwise, what is happening in Biafra land wouldn't be happening today. So I encourage everybody, every genuine Biafran, to support Biafra government in Israel, to support Prime Minister Simon EKPA, because he is the only man standing. He's the God sent. We have to support him with everything in our capacity just to make sure that we restore Biafra. Because without Biafra, without restoration of Biafra, you've been in America or Canada or Australia, wherever in Europe, whatever you have in Biafra land, call it your mansion or your villa, if Biafra is not restored, let me assure you this, you are not going to enjoy anything in Biafra land anymore, because Fulani will take over whatever you have there. And that is what we call Aman Namadichi. Because you will not allow your children to go there. Your children cannot even dare go to Africa, because it's not safety. They are not safe, and he cannot advise them to go. He will not encourage them to go there to live or to visit. So I encourage every Biafran, every true Biafran today to support Biafra government in exile, to make our dream a reality, to make sure we restore Biafra as soon as possible by supporting our BLA, Biafra Liberation Army, those guys who have been sacrificing their life, their time, and everything to defend our land. So, our Prime Minister, as Onyas Jidekoji, Amana and Koji Dema, Chineke Gozegi, Chukuduegi, Mone Jelgozi Chekovage, Ndembunandegede, that with you. Odumego Juku, Philip Effiong, and all the Biafran heroes and heroines, they are all with you. They are all, their spirits that are with you, they are guiding you, they are protecting you. So this saying that I'm supporting our BLA with the sum of 500 euros. And I say again, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Okay. Mazuche, ọbụrụzikwa ọtụtụ okwu ka ị kwuru nọ imirimi okwu.
The next thing is for me to do the summation of the contribution made for the purposes of our PM visiting us. We did contributions, and some of the people call it by themselves, but it's on me to ensure that their names are heard twice now, so that people will take home how much we have made arrangement to pay because of this event. Sister Joy, Dr. Joy Irobi gave $1,000 or euros, I should say, because he lives in Eurozone. And I myself, Mazi gave 500 euros. Mazu Baroland gave 200 euros. Sister Justina Noye gave 100 euros. Uche Nnekwe, our brother who has just spoken now, gave 500. Christiana Ogasi gave 250 euros. Our brother Lawrence from other side, Biafra land, on Baberu gave 30 euros. And many other people are coming. I don't have their contributions here and in my site. As soon as I have them, I will also call out their names. Thank you, and a round of applause for them, please. Thank you.
It is now time. It is now time for everyone.
And yes, I'm coming. It's now time also. If you have anything, yes, we must have something to do because our PM is here. Obro Ofunugo. That is Anna Sina Ugo. Obro Onye Funugo. lele ugo na ọ bụghị everyday ka a na-afụ ugo na ebe a biko nụ ọ dị ihe unu ga-eme menụ orugo n'omume ngwanụ ndị be anyị onye asụsụ eluigwe now ndị chọrọ ite ofe ndị chọrọ iweta ọjị ndị chọrọ ime ihe a chọrọ ime oge ezuole the time is now. Give what you need to give. For me, I am adding 50 euros for our PM accepting to come. You can note down and I will do the normal thing. Thank you very much.
Thank
you very much.
Lord.
And also, it is time to address some questions for those who may have some things bothering them or something to be clarified. It's an opportunity for me to answer any question at all, both whatever question you think you want to ask that has bothered you, or you need some kind of clarification or answer on. I'm here to address those issues. Thank you.
Aga-ekwu okugara ego biko ị na-ajụ ajụjụ gị na-etinye ego biko ndewonu ị na-ajụ ajụjụ gị tinye ego because ị ma na ihe anyị ji n'aka dị too much. Ndị nọ n'obodo ha ga-agwa gị ndị na ground zero na-akọwara gị ihe na-emenụ biko ị na-ekwu okwu ị na-etinye ihe.
Thank you, Mazi Gospel. Please, 1 minute. I want to ask everyone to put on their camera right now. If you need your camera on, this is the time to on your camera. Put it on and leave it on, please. Because just in 1 minute, switch on your cameras, switch on your cameras, switch on your cameras in 1 minute, please. Switch on all your cameras, please, everyone. Please switch on your cameras. Switch on your cameras, please. Thank you very much. Then now we move to answer to all the hands that are raised. Mommy Nonye, please unmute yourself. You are on stage already.
Okay. Yeah, my husband wants to say something.
It's me, Mr. Gabriel. Okay. So, my Prime Minister, thank you. Welcome. We are very, very grateful. We're very, very grateful. So I'm supporting this year coming with 250 euro.
Wow, 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 wow. Thank you, thank you.
A round of applause, please.
Thank you.
Thank you, our brother.
Thank you.
Mazoka, thank you. God bless you.
God bless you, Mazoka, from there. Please, the floor is open, and if you want to give us something, unmute yourself and do it. This is the right time. This is the right time to do it and ask your question.
Eze, unmute yourself, please. Eze, please unmute yourself. You are on stage. You are spotlighted, please. Eze Ike Zuagu. Ike Zuagu. You are the one I'm talking to. You have switched off your camera. Unmute yourself, please.
And by Dalo Lineno, only if Konisi, when it's Serenia and many rock one Pasinketa. As a Kupasinketa Mano Noma. I think which by 0. And the Cosidi, and the king of the Ifabia from Prime Minister Kuni Rockwa. Zoduki Biabo, Iabo, Ibo Media. Kaisipo when you tell Nukuzia do Kemba. Geniki when you basta Makaya Bifa. Kabaroke drop for your comment, your own suggestion. Ni endani in the Biafra Prime Minister Kuni Rockwa. Thank you so much and stay tuned at Ibo Media. Daro no munem kemesian.